There is another reason Amber Heard may be liable for millions of dollars despite her efforts to challenge the Johnny Depp defamation verdict. Amber Heard might be examining a sizable bill. There have been many developments since the defamation trial involving Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, which was resolved in June. Heard was found guilty on 3 counts of slander, and as a result, she must currently pay Depp $10 million. Since then, much had been stated regarding the actress's ability to pay for such expenses. She eventually filed an appeal, but given the current state of the court case, it appears that she may still be liable for additional legal fees. As a result of Johnny Depp's defamation lawsuit, Amber Heard has contacted attorneys rather frequently over the past few years. Prior to the trial that was broadcast on television, she reportedly changed legal counsel 3 times. And, according to a story from Puck, she might pay dearly for that. According to the news source, Heard may have to pay a total of $15 million in legal expenses. This amount also accounts for the costs she incurred in hiring a fresh group of attorneys for her most recent appeal. It goes without saying that this alleged sum exceeds the amount the Aquaman actress pays her ex-husband as a result of the actual judgment. It wouldn't be the first time the star's escalating debt has drawn attention. The New York Marine & General Insurance Company sued her back in July. She apparently has a $1 million insurance policy in place with the organization from 2018 to 2019 to protect her. In the end, the business filed a lawsuit in an effort to avoid having to cover the cost of her legal defense in the defamation case. Puck points out that Travelers Commercial Insurance Company, which also insured Amber Heard, sued New York Marine & General Insurance in 2021. Travelers sued New York Marine because it disapproved of the caliber of the attorneys it selected to defend Heard and demanded reimbursement for half the cost of that defense. Travelers feels that she ought to have had a choice in her legal representation. Currently, it is said that 100,000 legal documents have been amassed in preparation for a prospective trial involving both organizations. Heard has reportedly continued to work with another attorney in an effort to address the matter of the insurance. It's also important to note that, as of right now, Travelers Commercial Insurance has not filed a lawsuit against the celebrity. However, if the Drive Angry alum loses her appeal, the business, which has a liability cap of $500,000, will not be required to foot the bill for her out-of-pocket expenses. Amber Heard's then lawyer announced that she was unable to make the payment shortly after the defamation decision was handed down. However, when Heard was photographed boarding a private plane at that same moment, many of people paid attention. It's been stated that Johnny Depp can take particular actions to enforce the judgment if she is unable to pay. Amber Heard is still actively seeking her appeal as of right now. Heard most recently sold a total of $1,050,000 worth of real estate in Southern California. It should be noted that it's not apparent whether she sold the residence to raise money for her fees or for any other reason. But if she does have to pay those millions of dollars, that newfound income might be priceless.